Welcome back to Aura Luxury Motors, where today we are stepping into the absolute pinnacle of nomadic opulence. If you thought the S-Class was the height of luxury, wait until you see what happens when that DNA is injected into a world-class living space. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just compete with high-end RVs, it renders them obsolete. This is a rolling palace, a five-star suite on wheels designed for the elite few who refuse to compromise on comfort, even in the middle of a desert or deep in the mountains. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is an absolute masterclass in presence. It carries the unmistakable silhouette of a luxury yacht for the road. The front fascia is dominated by that massive, iconic Maybach grille, with its vertical chrome slats, flanked by ultra-slim digital light LED headlights that can project warnings directly onto the road. The body is finished in a signature Maybach two-tone paint scheme, hand-polished to a mirror-like shine. What's truly impressive is how Mercedes has managed to make a vehicle of this scale look aerodynamic and sleek. You'll notice the flush-mounted door handles that pop out as you approach, and the massive 21-inch forged multi-spoke wheels that give it a planted, majestic stance. Every window is made of acoustic laminated infrared reflecting glass, ensuring that the outside world stays where it belongs, outside. But as impressive as the exterior is, the interior is where the Maybach heritage truly shines. Stepping inside is like entering a private jet. The cabin is draped in sustainably sourced Nappa leather and open-pore wood with real silver inlays. In the cockpit, the driver is greeted by the latest generation MBUX Hyperscreen, a massive wall of glass that handles everything from navigation to vehicle diagnostics. But the real magic happens in the living area. The layout is completely modular, featuring executive lounge seating that can recline into full flat beds, equipped with hot stone massage functions and neck heating. There is a gourmet kitchenette featuring a hidden induction cooktop, a solid marble countertop, and a built-in refrigerator compartment specifically designed to hold champagne at the perfect temperature, complete with silver-plated flutes. For entertainment, a 65-inch 8K OLED screen descends from the ceiling, paired with a Burmeister 4D surround sound system that uses exciters in the seats to let you feel the music. Even the bathroom feels like a spa, featuring a rain shower with ambient LED lighting and smart glass that frosts over for privacy at the touch of a button. Under the hood, this behemoth is powered by a sophisticated hybrid powertrain. At its heart sits a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine paired with a high-capacity electric motor, producing a combined 620 horsepower and a staggering 738 pound-feet of torque. This allows the motorhome to glide effortlessly onto highways and tackle steep inclines without breaking a sweat. It's equipped with 4MATIC all-wheel drive at a specially tuned e-active body control suspension. This system reads the road ahead 1,000 times per second and adjusts each wheel individually, effectively leaning the vehicle into corners and smoothing out even the harshest bumps. The result is a ride quality that can only be described as a magic carpet ride. For those eco-conscious long haulers, the hybrid system allows for up to 50 miles of pure electric silent cruising, perfect for entering quiet campsites or zero-emission city zones. Safety and technology are, of course, top tier. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing the driver to take their hands off the wheel in specific highway conditions. It's also equipped with a 360-degree Guard 360 security system that uses external cameras and sensors to monitor the perimeter while you sleep, sending alerts to your phone if anyone gets too close. Now, let's talk about the price.
Owning a palace on wheels of this caliber requires a deep investment. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at an estimated $3 million. Depending on your level of customization, such as bespoke interior materials, off-grid solar packages, or specific security armor, that price can easily climb toward the $4 million mark. It is a vehicle for those who have reached the top and want to take their home with them wherever they go.
The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is more than just a car or an RV. It's a statement of ultimate freedom and unparalleled luxury. It combines the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz with the artistic craftsmanship of Maybach to create something truly unique in the automotive world. Whether you're crossing continents or parked on a private coastline, this is the ultimate way to experience the world. Thank you for joining us at Aura Luxury Motors for this deep dive into the future of travel. Would you like me to help you brainstorm some catchy titles or SEO tags for this video?